Hello, good morning students. So today in this video we will continue with the revision of chapter 2 Early Humans 1. Today we will learn about some important prehistoric sites in India. What do you mean by sites? We have already discussed this, that sites, the places where the evidences of hunters and gatherers have been discovered, are known as sites. Okay, so evidences of hunters and gatherers have been discovered at many places. Generally these evidences are in the form of stone tools, some finished, unfinished. These places are called the sites. Let us see example of few sites in India in map. Okay, with the help of map today we will understand certain example of, today we will learn certain example of important sites that are present in India during the prehistoric time. See here you can see some example of prehistoric important sites during Paleolithic period. Okay, here is, you can see here it is Bhimbetka. We have already studied about Bhimbetka, is a very important prehistoric site which give us a lot of evidences about prehistoric humans. Okay, here is Kurnool caves, Hunski is also a very important site through which archaeologists and historians, they gather a lot of information about prehistoric times. Now came the Mesolithic and Neolithic age. Now we will study the example of that time. So here are also important sites given. In this map also you can see many sites given. So then during Mesolithic age and Neolithic age, these are the example: Mohenjo-daro, then there is Chirand, Mehargarh, and many more. You can say Rupar, Kalibangan, Lothal. These are the important sites, name of the important sites that are present in India. Okay, through these sites basically the historians and archaeologists, they gather evidences to find out about the historic time. Okay, what might have happened during that time, how people must have lived, how was their lifestyle, what they used to eat, how they used to draw at during that time. So many evidences we have already studied them in detail, that these are that what evidences are present, they used to study from these sites only. Now let us come then at the end of the Neolithic period, use of metal started. Okay, first metal that was used was copper. So with this marked the beginning of Chalcolithic age. So when we will be studying Chalcolithic age in detail in next chapter. Okay, so here in this map you can see certain important Chalcolithic sites. Okay, especially there is that Brahmagiri. Here in the bottom you can see Brahmagiri is here, and you can see this is a very important Chalcolithic site. Now you will notice that many of these sites are basically near the rivers only. So we have already discussed that humans, they generally settle near the river valleys. Why? Because to satisfy their want of water. Okay, because to get a sufficient supply of water, they basically settle near the river valleys. So that is why most of these sites are present near the river valleys. Now let us discuss one of the important discoveries during Stone Ages is making of tools. How humans started making tools. Now I have already told you that there are two important discoveries that happened during the prehistoric time. One is discovery of tool making, second one is the discovery of fire. So earlier only stone is used to make tools and weapons. Then later flint, which is also a type of a stone, commonly used to make tools and weapons. Since flint can easily be chipped, that is why it can be easily molded into different shapes. Both big and small tools are used to make tools and weapons. Some of famous tools used during that time are axe heads, hammers, choppers, scrapers. So these tools were used to hunt animals. These are the images of the tools that you can see. So here are the important tools that are used during the Stone age. Okay, so these you can see are the hammers they used to make it. Okay, how they used to make it, they used to attach a stone to a wood or to other stone to make it little sharper. So basically you can see many type of tools are used. These are the type of flints that they use. These are the type of tools pointed to make them pointed. So in the next video we will be discussing how what are the techniques that are used to make these tools. Okay, hope you have enjoyed and liked this revision of topic. Please write your query in comment box with your name and section. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.